Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we're taking a look at the Velossa Big Mouth Ram Air Snorkel for the 2015 to present WRX and STI, as well as the 2013 to present BRZ, FRS, and GR86. Let's go. If you're looking for that perfect combination of performance and style, this just might be the product for you. This big mouth snorkel is a ram air design that helps collect and deliver larger amounts of cooler air to your factory or aftermarket intake system. So this product is a win even if you already have a better performing intake, as long as you're reusing the factory cowling. Unfortunately, with you guys and girls with an RA STI, you have a different style cowling, so this particular application won't work for you. Sorry. Another cool thing about this product is you have a bunch of different color options for the flare to choose from. First, we have black if you're looking for all the performance but without the looks, red for all of the performance with some of the looks, or the illuminated flare if you're looking to have a dragon under your hood. The fun part is you can control this option with an app from your phone that changes not only the color, but the pattern and brightness of the LED. Construction is a thick, durable plastic, and all of these options plus more can be found on the website. So for thousands of products just like this, plus tons more, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.